Alright guys, welcome back to another video about React Native animations. And in this video, we're gonna just create some funky animation with React Native just to say a hello world to it. And I'm not really going to get into a lot of details of how everything is working, but just so that you can see something on the screen. Let's do it. So I'm gonna get rid of all this nasty code first of all. So I'm just gonna say maybe just view from React Native, because essentially that's what we need and we don't need this thing at all. Nothing, not a nothing at all. And basically, I'm just going to strip down this whole component as well. So we're going to start from scratch more or less. So I'm gonna say this is just a simple view, right? And I'm going to bring in something known as animated.view again. No questions asked because this is just a hello world program, right? And right here, I'm gonna say this is with 100 height, 100 water radius, 100 by 2 and background color. Oops, background color is red, right? So this will just create a simple, nice little ball for us on the screen. And yeah, I'm just going to keep the styles in line for now, so that it's easier to see Expo default app. There we are, right? So we have a nice little red ball here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a button. Not really a button, touchable opacity because we are not working with React Native paper or something here. And I'm going to say when I press this move, but that's it. That's what we're gonna do in this whole video real quick. So I'm just gonna move the ball and stay here with me. Stay here with me. Don't be lost because we're gonna discuss everything what I'm gonna do now. So I'm gonna say you stayed new animation animated.value and I'm gonna start it with 0 and rather actually just go with xy x0 y0. And when I move the ball, what I'm gonna say? I'm gonna say animated.timing value and then to value x100 y100. Stay with me. Trust me. It's gonna make sense really soon. Trust me, Eurasian 1000 use native driver. Nope for now and just start. Alright guys. So now if you go ahead and obviously give it a text, hey, click me something like that. And obviously we've got to close the touchable opacity. So if I click on this now, one last thing this is embarrassing is that you need style this to be value, not get layout. Right. And now if I refresh this whole thing using a debugger or whatever and if I click on this, you're gonna see our ball moves a little. So, yeah, that's pretty much the hello world of reactive animations. We're gonna get into depth of everything which is going on right here. Don't you worry about that? So, just keep sticking to the tutorials. That's all for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you then in the next one.